In this lecture, we will be customizing our home page. We are using our home page home 1. So let me show you how our home page looks like. So our home page has 7 sections. So this is our first section, which is a slider revolution selection. Then this is the second section. This is the hotel room section, which will be automatically generated. Then we have the fourth section. This is the fifth section, sixth section for video, and seventh for the blogs. So how to edit this page? There are two methods. You can do it by editing this page, or you can edit it live with WP Bakery live page editor. So let's edit this live. So it will take some time to load. So once it's done, we will be able to edit the page live. Okay, so our page builder is ready. Now let's try to edit it. So this is our second section, because the first section is in slide revolution, so it's controlled in another plugin, so you can edit from here. But let's work with this. So you can see text is written, which means that it's a text. It is also in text, it is also in text, but this is a button. So let's show you how to edit it. You can use this to copy, you can use this to delete the text, and you can use this pencil icon to edit the text. For example, it is Hotel Bayview. Let's change this to Amazing Place. So once it's done, don't forget to click on Save Changes. Okay, so text has been changed. Click on Close. Now let's change the title. Let's change it to best hotel in India. Alright. So do you know why it is small and this is big? Because we are using H1 tag, which is the biggest tag, and H6 is the smallest tag. It has the H6 tag and this is the H1. If you want to change the color, you can change it. Let's use this color and let's change it. For example, if you want to change the weight or you want to make it bold, you can go ahead and make it bolder and save it. You will see that the changes are live. Alright, let's close it. Now let's change this text. It is also the same way how we did it. You can add anything like the way you want. So I'm just leaving this now. So now it's time to change the button. Click on the pencil icon. Now how to use it? So we have different layouts. For example, you can use the layout 1 or layout 2. Layout 2 comes with an image. Let's use the layout 1, and if you click on it, it will be redirecting us to any other page. So let's redirect this to our about page. Copy the link and click on select URL, add the URL and change, that's it. Set the link, and if you want to change the color, let's save it as purple and let's save it. You will see that it will now go to about us page, and we have changed the color as well. Now it is a 3 image. Let's try to change it. Click on the pencil icon. So you can remove it and add any other image that you want. For example, if you want to add this one or any other that you want, you can add it. Let's use this one and let's save it. You can also upload your image. Let's save it. You will see that the image has been changed. Let's go down. So it is a text, it is a text, and it is a divider. Divider, you can add or change the width. For example, if you want to make it bigger, you can make it 80. If you want to make it bolder, let's make it 3 or 2. Let's change the color to orange Let's save it. We'll see that divider is bigger and much bolder. This is the text, so I'll just skip this. And this is a rooms area. This list is auto-populated with the rooms. If you will add 4 to 5 rooms, it will automatically show the rooms. You can also change the order from ascending to descending and other orders like ID, author, title, name. You can use them to change your order. Also, if you don't want to use it, you can also add room IDs. Let me show you where is the room ID. If you just want to show only the hotel rooms, then let me show you what you can do. Click on the rooms and go to screen option. And in this page, you will find some room IDs. For example, click on room ID. So this is our room ID. You can just copy it and paste it. So you can add a comma and add other. So only they will be shown. Okay. You can also change the size and branches. For example, if your hotel is more than in 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 locations, you can add this to show different location hotel rooms. Alright. Let's keep this. Then it's a text, it is a text, and it is a text, as well as they both are text. So let's skip it. This is an image. This is a button. It is a text. It is a spacer, text, text, text button. Same text block. And now these are also same. You can use this one. Let me show you how you can use it. Click on it, you will see a YouTube URL. So let me show you how you can edit this. Click on the pencil icon. Now it will show you what you want to play. For example, if I change the link, for example, you can change or add your YouTube link of your hotel room here, and then you will, if you click on it, you will see that your website will show your hotel room. And finally, we have blocks. You can edit it and change how many blocks you want. For example, if I do it 3, and if I want, I can also change the layout and save it. Now I will only see 3 blocks. So once everything has been done and you are final, you can simply click on update. Let's see if our changes are live or not. You can see the text is changed, button color, and it will now go to about us page. Alright. Also, I showed you how to edit them, and you can also change this, and I have limited the 3 blocks. Thank you so much.